Hey, what's up, guys? This is a video in case you're trying to rule out your torque converter clutch. This is a 2011 Sierra with the 6L80, and it's a common problem on the 6L80s to where the torque converter starts slipping, like during light throttle applications. This one's kind of doing it, but maybe it'll come up in the video or not. But the way you can rule it out, it's if you turn on tow mode and it stops surging. You can possibly save the torque converter clutch by going to like somewhere where they tune. They have like a way of tuning transmissions, and you can have them have the torque converter fully applied in fifth and sixth gear. I'm sure they know how to do it, but I guess you just gotta program the transmission to give full pressure to the torque converter clutch, like if it would do at like 5,000 or 6,000 RPMs. It applies a greater pressure to it, and that might save you like doing the transmission repair, because when these torque converters go out, they start slipping. They start taking out like your pump. They'll start taking out a lot of components internally. So if you turn on tow mode and it goes away, the surging goes away, it means you still save it, because in tow mode it fully applies the torque converter. And that might save you some repairs of rebuilding transmission or getting in there. You just have to pay the calibration or the tuning guys to do it. So hopefully I helped you out. Thanks.